Let's learn how to divide the number 106 by 5 using the long division method. See that 1 is less than 5, so we will consider the number 10. 5 times 2 is equal to 10. Subtract, we get 0. Now this 0 is less than 5, so we need to bring down this adjacent 6 here. Look that this is the number 6. So we will remove this 0. And we know that 5 times 1 is equal to 5. Subtract, we get 1. As we have no number to bring down here, so in this case we will borrow 1 0, and for that we need to put a decimal here. And we know that 5 times 2 is equal to 10. Subtract, we get 0. As we get the number 0, so we will stop. Therefore, 106 divided by 5 is equal to 21.2. And this is our final answer. Thank you for watching. Please like, share and comment on the video. Also do subscribe our channel.